I was born and raised here on the island of Oahu in Kalihi. But I grew up, around the ocean, surfing, diving, and just enjoying all the beauty that Hawaii has to offer. So I was a truck guy all my life. My first car was a Toyota 4Runner. We used it for all of our surfboards, all of our beach gear. It just felt like the right vehicle at the time. But growing up around the ocean and seeing the impacts that climate change and other factors are having on our reefs, on our beaches, that really concerned me and led me to think, what can I do to help solve this problem? I'm fortunate enough to work for an organization called the Blue Planet Foundation. We're a local nonprofit that focuses on clearing the path for 100% clean energy in Hawaii. Clean transportation is a big part of the work that we do. So I wanted to, of course, walk the walk and make sure that, the transportation in my life was as clean as possible. In January of 2020, as a New Year's resolution, I decided I'm going to switch to an electric vehicle. Almost an entire year passed. And at the very end of 2020, I went down to a number of dealerships. I was able to, test drive a few electric vehicles, and I decided to get the 2020 Kia Niro EV. I couldn't be happier. I love the car. So some of the things I kept in mind when I was shopping around for an EV were, does it fit my lifestyle? Can this EV hold all my surfboards? Can I take it to the beach? Does it have enough range to get me up to the North Shore or to the east side or west side and back? So pretty much looking for whether or not it could fit the same exact beachy lifestyle that I was living, but driving a lot cleaner than before. So the electric vehicle has more than enough space. I can fold the back seats down, fit 4 or 5 shortboards in the back. And up top I have surf rack, so I can put my stand-up paddleboard, I can put the longboards up there. And it just has a lot of space for everything that I need. I would really encourage other people to consider making their next car electric. And you save a ton of money. You never have to go to a gas station, so you never have to buy gas. Maintenance costs are lower, and they're great for the environment. So I think anyone in Hawaii can go electric. With the new year coming up, I think it's great to consider making a green New Year's resolution, whether it's something simple like pledging to change out the light bulbs in your home, or getting an electric vehicle like I did. You can go on Blue Planet Foundation's website at blueplanetfoundation.org to see, a list of cool ideas for New Year's resolutions, get inspiration and see what other people are doing, and make a pledge yourself. I was born and raised here in the islands, and I truly love this place that I call home. And I want to do anything that I can do to protect it and create a better future for our islands. I also want to have kids, and I want them to be able to experience the Hawaii that I experienced growing up. And so anything that I can do to contribute to create a cleaner future for our islands is just a privilege for me to be able to do that.